Hawkins ar gei crydd, chwilio am Lee Jenkins. Jenkins yn ennill y bel. Firth ar arbediad, a mae gefn y rwyd. Luke Tabone yn rhoi ti i mewn. Y gei crydd wedi mewn. Lee Jenkins methu curo Andy Firth, ond y bel yn disgyn yn garedig i Luke Tabone. 1-0 i Hwlffordd. Chwaraewyr Cei Connah, di amgylchynu Zach Jones yn y cwrt 6. Yn dymur, ma nhw, Josh Williams. I ymwyl y cwrt at Harrington. Yr ergyd gan Harrington. Trw goedwig o goesan y cwrt. Ac heibio i Zach Jones yn y gol. Harrington efo gormod amser ar ymwyl y cwrt. Ac yr ergyd a heibio i Zach Jones. Dryswch yn y cefn, mae Fawcett drwad, a mae Fawcett yn rhoi ti mewn i rwyd gwag. Wel, yr bel ar draws i Andy Firth. Dryswch llwyr yn y cefn, a Ben Fawcett yn manteisio i roi Hwlffordd yn ôl ar y blaen. Davies, ceisio cael chydig o le rhwngtho fo a Bog, pas hyfryd allan at Ryan Harrington. Harrington ar bel i mewn. Bel y disgyn i Josh Williams, sa cyfle Williams cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell, a Jordan Davies ar ergyd wyll o ymyl y cwrt. Davies yn rhyddhau Harrington, y bel ar draws, cael ei chlirio. O Davies wedyn yn erbyn i gyn clwb methu ac anfod y targed. Nash codi'n uwch na Dyer, Bog ar peniad, ddim yn bell. Wild. Bel yn canfod, Morris, y bel ar draws at Jordan Davies. Arbediad gan Zach Jones. Ac mae Hwlffordd yn clirio. Aaron Williams. Nôl at Poole. Williams. Heibio i McNamara. Y bel ar draws. Y bel heibio'r postyn. A dyna oedd y cyfle. Jack Burnman, yr eilydd. Wel, mi reolodd o'r bel yma, ac yr ergyd i mewn. Ond iddo fo, yr ochr anghywir i'r postyn.
You were complaining at the beginning of the season of the inconsistency within the team and the results. Are you thinking that you're starting to turn a bit of a corner now?
Yeah, we have recently. I'm not sure, is that 4 wins or our last 7 in the league, something like that. But we have been better, especially away from home. I see what the boys can do every week in training, which frustrates me more than anything. You know, we trained Wednesday night and it was probably as good a session as I've seen from the lads since I've been at the club. But then we trained Thursday night and we were awful. So the team who trained Wednesday night as well as they did turned up today, and that's why we've got 3 points. We had to dig in. We took our chances when they came, and we've defended really well second half, and I can't ask any more of them. They know they've had a tough game in there. They're all shattered, but that's what I expect them to be like.
Ultimately, you know, you look at how we lost the game of football. We've lost the game of football because we weren't anywhere near the standards that we normally are. More than one way to win a game of football, as we always talk about. We've dominated all the key stats that you would look to dominate in a game, but 2 really poor mistakes from us defensively, and then a really strong spirited performance from Haverfordwest with a really key strategy of trying to bring everyone behind the ball, try and frustrate us, try and catch us on the counter-attack. They didn't catch us on the counter-attack because we didn't give them the opportunity to, but we gifted them 2 goals out of nowhere.
Wel, i ddweud ar dy wynaf di pa mor hapus o ti fo'r 3 pwynt da?
Ie, hapus dros ben. Oedd ddim yn hawdd i mas yna heddi ennill y 3 pwynt, ond yn y diwedd, ni mas ar y top, a ni'n heiddi'r 3 pwynt wedyn ni.
Efo'ch gol gyntaf chdi, oeddech chdi yn meddwl na chdi oedd yn mynd i roed y bel yng nghefn y rhywun?
Ie, contact ar pel, a nes i just gwylio fe mynd lan dros y keeper, ond yn y diwedd, luckily oedd Luke yna i tapo i mewn i fi, a lle Cymru ni trwy dydd.